Hey guys, I'm Grant with CAMaster, and today I'm going to walk you through one of the most heavy-duty industrial CNC routers that we've ever built, the CAMaster Edge series. This machine was designed from the ground up to be fast, precise, and built like a tank. The Edge runs on our most robust welded steel frame, featuring rigid steel tube side assemblies. That means zero flex and no compromises. The frame is stress relieved to keep your cuts accurate for years. It's driven by high-powered Yaskawa servo motors, delivering serious speed and torque for demanding production. And when I say fast, I mean rapid travel speeds up to 3,200 inches a minute. That's the fastest in its class. It features indexable pop-up location pins for easy material placement and accurate two-sided machining operations. A standout feature is the G-code enabled vacuum control zone. Your hold down is now programmable. No more stopping to flip manual valves. It's faster, cleaner, and more efficient. We've also added full bearing and rail covers to keep your chips and debris off critical motion components. That means fewer interruptions and longer machine life, especially in high production environments. This unit is equipped with a 16 horsepower HSK spindle, top tier performance. And we've completely redesigned the head assembly. It comes standard with 12 tools at the heart of all of our fully digital SmartCore PLC system, giving you real-time diagnostics, smoother motion, and machine level control over every other part of your workflow. This controller has backlash and volumetric compensation for the utmost accuracy throughout the life of your machine. Every Edge machine is laser compensated at our factory to eliminate machining imperfections before it ever ships. And it's backed by our industry best 2-year warranty. This model features a custom 14-inch gantry Z clearance and micro misting unit for processing non-ferrous metals, but like all Edge units, it can be built to your specifications. So if you're looking for a CNC router that's fast, precise, and is built like an absolute beast, the CAMaster Edge delivers. Thanks for watching. Reach out to us anytime at CAMmaster.com with questions and let us know how the Edge series can take your shop to the next level.